Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Avast Antivirus, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the official Avast website. Locate the download section for Avast Antivirus. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder. Double-click the Avast setup file to start the installation. When the installation window opens, click Install. Follow any on-screen prompts to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose between a typical or custom installation. If you select custom, review the additional features and make your selections. After the installation process begins, wait for it to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the installer. A welcome screen will appear. Click Continue to proceed. Avast may prompt you to enable additional features. Choose your preferred settings for these features. You may also be prompted to create an Avast account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account if desired. Next, you'll see the main Avast interface. From here, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the options. To perform your first scan, click Scan Now. Choose between a quick scan or a full system scan. After the scan is complete, review the results for any detected threats. If threats are found, follow the recommended actions to resolve them. Regularly check for updates to ensure your antivirus is current. To do this, navigate to the menu and select Settings. In the Settings, find the Update section. Set up automatic updates for optimum protection. Remember to explore additional security features like VPN and firewall settings. Customize these settings based on your preferences and usage. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Avast support section for further assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Avast Antivirus on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.